Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on the Bybit app. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So right now we are on the Bybit application, and then from here you can see there are many options from home to market to trade to earn to assets. And now from here you're going to have the Bitcoin right here chilling in the assets. Now to deposit into it, you're going to either want to fiat deposit, where you're going to add any of your local currency, or you can switch to any other fiat currencies such as USD, and then from here you're going to buy with it. But if you want a more straightforward method, then all you have to do is going to click on the buy crypto right here on the main page once you create your account, and then from here you're going to select for however much amount. So for example, let's say $200, and then from here on the top right you can select the crypto. So if it wasn't set for Bitcoin, you can select whatever else cryptocurrency you might like, even Ethereum, but you will probably just switch it to Bitcoin right here, which will be the top suggested one. And once you click 200 or whatever amount you would like, click on next. And then it will tell you to select a payment method, where you can use your Google Pay, a normal bank card, or even the third-party methods such as MoonPay and Mercurial. And that's pretty much it. If you want to buy straightforward, just buy with bank card, and that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.